Hey, can you believe that this small lithium-ion battery 72 voltage 64.8 amp hour can make the electric scooter driver range to 160 kilometers. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. This is the scooter battery which made by the EVE 4695 lithium-ion battery. Yes, this one I introduced for you guys before. It can do the high rate discharge and with the high energy density. And now we customized the 74 voltage for our customer in China, and from customer feedback, it can be driver range for 160 kilometers for the electric scooter. You can see this is one piece of this pack is made for the 220 series one parallel, which is 72 voltage, and you need to make the two pieces of battery in a parallel and to get the 72 voltage 64.8 amp hour. For the size of the whole semi-assembled battery pack, the length is 295 millimeter. The width is 165 millimeter. The height for the two pieces to stock, it is 204 millimeter in a whole semi-assembled pack. And the weight for this battery pack is 70.9 kilogram. So the energy density for this battery pack can be 260 watt-hour per kilogram. It is a really high energy density for the electric scooter battery, because when you consider your electric scooter, electric motorcycle, you need also to consider the weight of the battery, because the more higher of the weight will influence the driver range too. So the advantage for this battery pack is with the high energy density, high discharge current, and cost-effective price. Now the market is used for this battery pack to replacing the battery pack like this way. Yes, it is very suitable with a cost-effective price and the more longer drive range. So do you have interest in that? Now we provide is the semi-assembled battery pack. The cost is $400 USD for this semi-assembled battery pack. And you need to buy a BMS. And they also have customer to ask how to connect the BMS with the semi-assembled pack. Here is the details of the wiring. You need to use the BMS wire to connect each of the tape of here, and each one by each one like this way. Yes, it is. If you have the knowledge of the battery pack, you can make it. But if you didn't have any knowledge of how to assemble a battery pack or others, we suggest you to buy a whole pack from a professional battery pack provider. But if you are a professional electric scooter battery shop or others, you can contact with us freely, because we can offer the best price with the best quality. Okay, above is the 72 voltage 64.8 amp hour semi-assembled battery pack for electric scooter, electric motorcycle, electric tricycle. If you have interest in, you can contact with us freely, and we can provide each document as you need: MSDS UN 338 C report and the DG form. We are the professional battery pack manufacturer and also the big trading company for the different brand of lithium-ion battery cells like the EVE, Hyson, Lithium, IEPT, like those brands. Okay, thank you for your watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.